Hello, my name is Jeroen Cools. I'm the owner of Southside Coffee Co, a little takeaway coffee shop on the corner of City Road and Power Street. Our best-selling products are obviously coffee, and food-related items is our fried chicken sandwich. My goals for the year: running a healthy, sustainable business. It's important as we grow that the team grows with us. What I like to achieve is a simple loyalty program that works really well and the customer benefits from. At Southside Coffee Co, the solution we use for Hello Clever is the digital stamp cards, Milestone rewards, street rewards, and instant cashback. I think that's a game changer. We choose to partner with Hello Clever because simplicity of the product, obviously digital, so digital we can track the data. It impacted the business in a positive way. People are excited. The way it compares to old loyalty it's a bit clunky. In the past, it's about feel. Obviously, a lot of people's hospitality is a bit of a feel, but you can't make decisions based on feel. I don't know who my customers are. I don't know when they come in. The biggest advantage for us to switch to a digital stamp card is the data you get, the flexibility of the product. I can say after 5 stamps, you get something back after 10 stamps, 12, 20. For my staff, it's easy. So instead of worrying about doing the right thing, stamping things, they can just make their coffee and have a chat with them, build that relationship between us as a brand to the customers. The integration process with Hello Clever was fairly easy. If you get your Tyro FPOS machine, 24 hours later, the whole system was set up. The Hello Clever team has been very supportive. Whenever I have a problem, I can call them. They flew over from Sydney for activation days, handing out flyers. Definitely very, very positive. After activation day, they had someone else from their team coming 3 times a week to talk to the customers about Hello Clever, how to sign up, guiding them through the whole process. In the store, we promote a Hello Clever campaign we got a couple of posters on with QR codes. We've got table talkers on each table. We've got little business cards that we slide in all the bags when they do purchases. And then we get some flyers as well that we hand out to the customers. The most liked features for us as a business is to create retention for our customers. My experience using Hello Clever dashboard, straightforward. The data we've got average transaction, the amount customers spent, retention, and the amount obviously that signed up for Hello Clever. Data is knowledge, so the more data we get, the more we can make decisions based on that data. For the customers, the digital stamp card, so every time they purchase a coffee or a food, they get a stamp, the instant cashback they can get, a streak by encouraging them to come multiple times. If they buy coffee, they get more rewards. The customers are very, very happy with the way the system works. Implementing Hello Clever for us, what it did, because it's a seamless integration. So again, that's also a plus. So we don't have to run the same campaign all the time. We can just change it whenever we want to change it. We run the Milestone campaign for 1 month. We had 37 sign-ups. They spent around $2,000 worth of purchases. We would definitely run the Milestone campaign again with Hello Clever. Because of the data we could extract out of Hello Clever, we saw our downtown and the busy times. So I think the next campaign too is a bit more based on that downtown, try to get busier with a cashback campaign on top of the Milestone rewards. Personally, what I think about it, I think something like this existed for a long time.